Hey guys, this is your boy Nick here, and you're watching GBROBOROCKMAX. Guess what? Look at this. I have the Deebot D77. Yes, this is a new, old robot vacuum that came out in 2012, 2014, I don't know, 6-7 years ago. But, you know what? They had self-emptying bins back then. What mind-blowing technology. Yes, Roomba S9 Plus, Roomba i7 Plus, Shark IQ with the self-emptying bin. You're not the only robot vacuum. Alright, let's go ahead and look at this box. It's gigantic, 33 pounds of craziness. I'm going to go ahead and move the camera around so you guys can see what's on the box. Okay, so there's the front of the box. Let's move over to the side and feel free to stop at any time. So it looks like it uses the cyclonic technology similar to Dyson. We'll see how well the airflow suction works. We'll go ahead and check the back of this box. So it looks like this ancient robot vacuum had a lot of technology that we see today. Anti-drop technology, has automatic dust emptying, also has self-recharge and resume. Had a lot of great features. We'll check the side. You can clearly see I did not get this new. This is actually what's on the shelf for many years, and I happened to negotiate a good deal for this bad boy. $177. Okay, you guys ready to get this guy open? Let's go ahead and rip the top up. I'm gonna use my man straight. Okay, let's see. Just gonna get into this. It's me versus my strong arms. There you go, guys. There's the lineup. Okay, so let me know in the comments if you recognize any of these robot vacuums. I know Deebots definitely updated their lineup since this was released, but I do remember the Atmo bot and the Winbots. Very cool. And looks like we have this giant case. Maybe it comes with a tool set. I don't know. What else do we have here? Looks like we got some brushes and some accessories. Alright guys, can you see what's inside? Looks like we got a little remote here. Very cool. And we have some AAA batteries. Probably for the remote control. Alright, let's try it out. There you go. There's the self-emptying bin, the robot vacuum, and the canister to empty out. Alright, there's everything that's included in the box. Check this out, guys. Wow, look at this, guys. Did you remember my Shark IQ unboxing? This is the exact same thing. It's all bubble wrapped. Very nice. So, just from the first looks of it, looks a little bit smaller than the Shark IQ, but we'll definitely compare the sizes here. Wow, look at this brush here. And there's a little inlet right there where it sucks out all the debris from right here. And you got your dual side brushes. Very, very nice. And look at this, guys. Super tiny wheels. How cute. Very, very cool. Okay, let's see what's inside this bad boy. Wow, look at that. You got your instruction manual. Looks like we have a cleaning tool. We got the extension wand. We have the hose, another hose attachment. And what this does is this is a canister vacuum. It's actually a portable unit where you can go around and vacuum up your place. Very, very cool. This guy kind of just slots down in here like this. just like that, somehow. Very cool, very, very nice. Okay guys, I got everything all ready to go. We went ahead and looked at this guy, and we're gonna actually put the side brushes on the Deebot, see how easy it is to install. I do like that they came with 2 extras, and they're color coded. You got the green, and you also have the red. Let's go ahead and flip this guy over, and you can see, just match up the colors. Very, very easy. Yep, they just clip in. There's no magnetics, no screws. Very nice, and they just spin around. Very cool. So it looks like your traditional robot. You got your caster, you have your clip sensors. You got 1, 2, 3. This guy has 3 clip sensors. You also have your extractor brush. It looks like it's a little bit hard to remove. You do have to take a Phillips screwdriver right there, and that will remove the housing. It's not as easy as just removing it with a couple clips, but nothing too hard to do. Looks like you do have a battery housing right here, and you got your 2 drive wheels. Nothing too out of the ordinary. Okay, let's go ahead and compare it to the Shark IQ. What do you guys think? Shark IQ? Deebot? Which one looks cooler? Let me know down in the comments. And if you like this type of video, please smash the like button. Helps me gauge if this video is popular or not. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. This is GBROBOROCKMAX, where I do a lot of crazy robot vacuum reviews, unboxings, overviews, you name it. I have new robot vacuums, old robot vacuums. I do everything. Right off the bat, you may notice the clean button, and you got the dock button. Very, very nice. And this is the camera system used for navigation. Very minimalistic design. Nothing too crazy. Now, on the Deebot D77, you have a lot of different functions. You got your navigation arrows. You also have a little clock symbol, which is used for scheduling. Very nice. You can actually schedule directly on the robot. There's actually a little old-fashioned display right there. Very nice. There's a mode button. I believe you can change different cleaning modes, and there's a pause and resume button right there. Very, very cool. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the front here. On the Shark IQ, which is a very minimalistic design, just has a bunch of infrared sensors used to help navigate around objects, and it has a physical bump sensor, like what all robots have these days. And the same thing with the Deebot D77, physical bump. So this guy has the same thing, it has a physical bump sensor. Okay, so you may notice this is the Archon sensor, which you have seen on the Roombas. Helps the robot redock to his charger. And with this guy, has a little infrared window right here, probably used to help dock as well. And you got 2 charging pin contacts. One thing to know is this guy solely relies on his front bumper to help navigate around objects. Okay, so let's go ahead and get these guys flipped around. Alright, so right off the bat, you may notice that the designs are very similar. You got dual side brushes. The Shark IQ uses a single arm design, which I believe there's a patent on. They both have wheel casters. They both have clip sensors. On the Shark IQ, you got 4 clip sensors. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on this bad boy, you got 3. 1, 2, and 3. Also, you have the extractor design, which is a single bristle. Nothing too fancy. And one thing to note is you can't easily remove the housing. You have to use a Phillips screw, but it's not too bad. But on the Shark IQ, easily remove the housing right here, and you can take out the combo brush. It's both bristles and silicone-based material right there. Very, very nice. Great for pet hair, according to Shark. And it's really easy to put right back in. Alright, so the next thing is they both have drive wheels for the left and right, and they're adjustable. It allows them to go over different types of terrain, and they both have really good grip, it looks like. And it looks like on the Shark IQ, the wheels are a lot bigger. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the Deebot D77 charged up, and we'll see how well it competes with a modern day robot. Alright, be safe out there, and I'll see you guys later.